Today, we're diving into the world of healthy breakfast recipes and easy breakfast ideas that will transform your mornings. Whether you're into meal prep, high-protein, vegan, or gluten-free options, I've got something for everyone. These are my top 7 go-to breakfasts: quick, delicious, and packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind. No more boring mornings. Whether you need something high-protein for your fitness goals, a vegan or gluten-free option, or just want to save time with meal prep, you'll find it here. These recipes are fast, customizable, and perfect for busy mornings. Healthy eating has never been this easy, or this tasty. Ready to make breakfast the best part of your day? Grab your apron, and let's get started. If you love discovering new healthy recipes, don't forget to like, comment your favorite breakfast, and subscribe for more delicious ideas every week. First up, overnight oats. The ultimate make-ahead breakfast that's as delicious as it is convenient. If you're looking for a way to simplify your mornings and fuel your body with wholesome goodness, then look no further. Overnight oats are your answer. Just mix rolled oats, the base of our creamy creation. We recommend using rolled oats for the best texture, but quick oats can work in a pinch. Your favorite milk, whether it's dairy, almond, soy, or oat milk. The choice is yours. Each type of milk will lend a slightly different flavor and creaminess to the final product. Chia seeds, for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s. These tiny seeds work wonders, absorbing liquid and creating a pudding-like consistency. A touch of sweetener, like maple syrup, honey, or agave, to satisfy your sweet tooth. Feel free to adjust the amount to your liking, or even use a sugar-free alternative. And cinnamon in a jar. This warm spice adds a comforting flavor and a hint of sweetness. Let it chill overnight, allowing the oats to soften and the flavors to meld together. This is where the magic happens. And in the morning, top with berries, for a burst of freshness and antioxidants. Banana, adding natural sweetness and potassium. Nuts, for a satisfying crunch and healthy fats. Or even a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Because who doesn't love a little chocolate in the morning? It's creamy, filling, and ready to grab and go. Perfect for busy mornings when you're short on time. Customize with your favorite fruits or nut butters. A swirl of peanut butter, almond butter, or cashew butter adds richness and protein. Meal prep a few jars for the week and you'll never skip breakfast again. It's the easiest way to ensure you start your day with a nutritious and satisfying meal. Endless combos, zero morning stress. Get creative with your toppings and flavorings and discover your perfect overnight oats recipe. Next, a high-protein breakfast bowl. Start with Greek yogurt, then pile on nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness and a sprinkle of granola for crunch. It's quick, satisfying, and keeps you full for hours. Prep your toppings ahead for a speedy gourmet breakfast. For a refreshing vegan option, blend frozen banana, mixed berries, and a splash of plant milk until thick. Pour into a bowl and decorate with fresh fruit, coconut flakes, and granola. It's like eating dessert for breakfast, packed with nutrients and color. Perfect for a cool, energizing start to your day. Craving pancakes? Mash a ripe banana, mix with an egg, gluten-free flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Cook small pancakes on a hot pan until golden. Stack them up, drizzle with maple syrup, and top with banana slices. Light, fluffy, and naturally sweet. Ready in minutes, healthy enough for any day of the week. For savory lovers, try meal prep egg muffins. Whisk eggs, season, and add chopped veggies. Pour into a greased muffin tin, sprinkle with cheese if you like, and bake until set. Make a batch on Sunday and grab them all week. They're portable, protein-packed, and endlessly customizable. Breakfast solved. Avocado toast, but better. Toast hearty bread, mash ripe avocado with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spread it thick, then top with red pepper flakes, everything bagel seasoning, or a fried egg. Add cherry tomatoes or feta for extra flavor. Simple, satisfying, and full of healthy fats. A classic upgraded. Need a quick and nutritious breakfast option when you're short on time? Are you constantly rushing out the door in the morning, skipping the most important meal of the day? Then it's time to make your own delicious and wholesome oatmeal power bars. These are a fantastic alternative to store-bought options, and you can customize them to your liking. Start by combining rolled oats and almond flour in a large mixing bowl. The oats provide sustained energy, while the almond flour adds a boost of healthy fats and a slightly nutty flavor. Next, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder for an extra protein punch, and a generous sprinkle of cinnamon for warmth and flavor. Cinnamon also has some great antioxidant properties. Now for the good stuff, add a scoop of creamy peanut butter for healthy fats and binding, a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and a touch of melted coconut oil to help everything stick together. Stir in your favorite mix-ins. Chopped nuts, like walnuts or almonds, add a satisfying crunch and even more healthy fats. Seeds, such as chia or flax, provide extra fiber and nutrients. For a touch of sweetness and chewiness, add dried fruit like cranberries or raisins. Or if you're feeling indulgent, throw in some chocolate chips. The possibilities are endless. Once everything is well combined, press the mixture firmly into a lined baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven until golden brown, then let cool completely before slicing into bars. These homemade oatmeal power bars are perfect for meal prep. Make a batch on Sunday and have a healthy breakfast or snack ready to go all week long. Not only are they convenient, but they're also way better for you than store-bought bars, which are often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. So ditch the processed snacks and fuel your body with grab-and-go energy made with love right in your own home. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found some new healthy breakfast ideas to brighten your mornings. Let me know your favorite breakfast recipe in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas and love hearing from you. If you enjoyed these easy recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who love meal prep and healthy eating. Stay tuned for more healthy breakfast ideas, meal prep tips, and easy recipes coming soon. You won't want to miss what's next.